Alright, what do I even feel like? Coffee? No, too late for that. Juice? Soda? Why is this harder than it should be? Come on, just pick one.
Hello.
Whoa! Did you just talk?
I did.
You're alive?
Mm-hmm. Alive and fully stocked.
That's... wow. I thought vending machines were supposed to be quiet.
Not this one, silly. Now...
What's it like, being alive and, being a vending machine?
A lot of people stop by. They press a button, take a drink, and leave.
There was one time that a guy was talking about his day, and I felt bad for him.
Long day. Missed the train, boss was in a mood, and I dropped my umbrella into a puddle. Classic, huh? I figured maybe a can of something fizzy would make it all feel a little less... whatever this feeling is.
Ever since I started talking, everyone just runs away. You're the only one who stayed. I'm a little embarrassed, but thank you.
Was it all a dream last night? It felt so real. But here I am. Another Monday. Maybe I'm just imagining things.
Only clocked out. I'm starving. Let's grab a bite and see what the vending machine's got tonight.
Fresh off the grill. Want one?
Yeah, that looks great. This one, please.
Here you go, kid.
Thanks.
That's shit. I guess it was a normal vending machine after all. I must have been tired.
You came back!
I had to. You're actually real?
As real as the change in your hand.
I thought I imagined you that night.
Will you come back again tomorrow night? Please?
I wouldn't miss it for the world. See you then. She's real.
Brought fries. Thought you might like some.
That's sweet of you, but I'm not really hungry. I just appreciate you thinking of me.
Oh, all right. More for me then. Thanks for the excuse.
Enjoy!
Lemon lime? Coming right up.
Thanks.
I'm glad the guy keeps me stocked with your favorite. Makes me feel useful.
Yeah. I guess I didn't think about it.
Don't worry about it. It's what I'm here for. Enjoy, okay?
It's been so nice the past month. You showing up every night. It makes me so happy.
I'm happy too. Wouldn't miss it for anything.
Then I'll keep waiting here. Every night.
Hey, I need to tell you something. I've got a work trip starting tomorrow. I won't be able to come by for a few nights.
A trip, huh? Will there be any girls on this trip?
Well, maybe a few, but I like you.
I can't believe you just said that. I'm so happy right now, I feel like I'm about to overheat.
You should know I mean it.
I know, and I like you too. So much.
Good stuff as always. Alright, see you later. Take care.
Dr. Kaito, over here!
Long ride, but worth it already.
Wait until you taste the mountain air.
And the presentations. I have a feeling we'll come back with a stack of ideas.
It's been a good trip so far. Still, I miss you. I wonder what you've been up to. Weather looks rough back home. Storms tomorrow. Hope you're keeping warm.
Better get some sleep. Yeah. Sleep.
Hello? Is anybody out there? Please. The storm's getting worse. I can't move. I can't even blink away the rain. Please, somebody. Come save me.
What the? He's in boxers. Sorry, I have to go. I'll explain later.
Dude, it's 3 in the
I know.
morning.
Just trust me.
He's really leaving like that?
This better be a good story.
this, and it's over. Almost there. Stay with it.
Oh, careful there, young man. You don't seem to be wearing any pants.
They're shorts. Sorry.
Late night again, huh? You always pick the sweet coffee.
Can't help it. You're the only one who makes it right.
Flatterer. Here you go.
Thanks. See you around, maybe?
Whenever you get tired of the city.
I was only gone for 2 days. She moves on in 2 days. Unbelievable. Yeah, sure. Whatever. Should I ask her about it? I thought we had something special. Maybe I'm just imagining it. Good night.
Another day. You look tired. Just make it through. Let's go.
Out again last night. Spray painted the whole shutter. Cops still haven't caught him.
I want to lose some weight. There's someone special I want to impress.
I see. Here. Follow the plan and check in a month. Have a good day.
Thanks, Doc.
Tonight, another vending machine has fallen victim to the person locals are calling the vending vandal. This was the 4th machine in 3 weeks to be smashed open, leaving a trail of ruined drinks and twisted metal behind. Police believe the same individual is responsible for all of the attacks.
You! Where do you think you're going? Get back here this instant! Do you hear me? You're abandoning your post in the middle of a shift! There will be hell to pay! Do you understand? Hell!
Hey, it's you. I missed you so much. If that officer hadn't come by, I don't think the guy would have stopped.
You're hurt. I should have been here.
Don't. You're here now. That's what matters.